Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the exact photo, open Snapchat, go to chat if it was sent directly, or memories if saved. Once you find it, make sure you note who has it and when it was sent, because that affects removal options. You should immediately save any material you need to keep to your camera roll, then proceed to deletion steps. This prevents accidental loss while you try removal methods. Next, delete your local copy. In chat, tap the message delete, and in memories, choose the snap delete. Once done, message recipients and request they delete their saved versions. Be direct and brief, and explain why. If the image was shared to external platforms, contact those owners or platforms for removal. Also use Snapchat's in-app support to report content if someone refuses to delete or if the snap violates policies. If recipients won't cooperate, file a report. Open settings support I need help and follow prompts for safety or privacy removal. Provide message details and timestamps. Once submitted, clear your Snapchat cache and disconnect any third-party integrations to stop further sharing. Finally, if content persists, consider temporarily deactivating your account while support reviews. Troubleshooting tip: if removal stalls, document all requests and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.